FCT Emergency Management Agency has called for the promotion of policies and practices aimed at reducing inequality in accessing economic opportunities, social services, and participation in decision-making. They made the appeal at the commemoration of the International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction in Abuja. Helen Osamede-Akins reports.
The community celebrates the International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction on the 13th of October every year. It provides an opportunity to acknowledge the progress made in reducing disaster risk and losses in lives, livelihoods, and health. The Federal Capital Territory is not left out of the celebration, having experienced its fair share of disasters from floods to building collapses and several forms of natural and man-made disasters. This year's theme is Fighting Inequality for a Resilient Future, and the FCT Emergency Management Agency is appealing to government at all levels to promote policies that will help reduce inequality in society. It notes that people who live in poverty are likely to live in areas that are prone to hazards.
We must acknowledge and confront these disparities to create a resilient future. We must fight inequality on multiple fronts, invest in building resilience at the community level, ensuring that vulnerable populations have access to the resources, knowledge, and infrastructure needed to withstand and recover from disasters.
When there's a disaster within your environment, how do you treat the vulnerable? How do you treat people living with disabilities? How do you treat the aged?
Communities located in areas that are prone to natural hazards, such as floodplains, I get it, there are natural hazards, but there is no natural disaster. Natural hazards such as floodplains, coastal areas, and seismic zones are more exposed to disasters.
Activities to commemorate the day include sensitization, a road walk, and a conference. Helen Osamede-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.